Hey everyone, my name's Kara. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, there's one certain thing I'm known by to most everyone. You could see it in How to Be Me, my starter pack video, or even my closet tour. But that thing is Crocs. When I originally filmed that video, I had 4 pairs, and that was around August, July that I filmed that, and now I have 10 pairs, backpacks, and a shirt. So I guess I'm just gonna have to model them all for you, and then, cause like, I don't know, it's part of my personality, and it's like something I have to do, so. Let's get started.
The first pair of Crocs I have are these navy ones that I love to wear to school functions because their colors are blue and gold. Pretty sick. The next ones I have are black, and these are a necessity. I wear these every day of my life because they match with every outfit I could possibly wear. There's me flexing. Ooh, ooh, hit him with that. Hey. The next pair, these I got from Value Village, and I broke them. They're actually size 8, and I'm a size 10, so yeah. They don't exactly fit, but they're kind of sick, and I think I paid like $5 for them, so I keep them. These are my white ones. I have worn these the most. You can tell by all of the dirt on them, even though I wash them 24/7. More modeling shots. These are my gray ones. They have Mickey on them. They're from Disney, and then when I spin around, the back is pink. These are my all-time favorite Crocs. I wear them every single day. They're black with black fur, and they're like the most comfortable, you don't understand. And they don't have the holes in the bottom, so as it's snowing right here, I don't get the snow in my Crocs, and that's like really a necessity because I can't stop wearing Crocs even when it's snowing. These used to be my favorite. These are also furry Crocs, but they're just less furry. I think this was like my second pair of Crocs, so I don't wear these much often anymore, but they're still kind of a throwback Croc, if you will. These are probably one of my favorites. One side doesn't work, but the other side lights up, and it's like aquarium fishy, so I wear these when I'm really trying to be extra, which is every day of my life, so yeah. These are my rainbow tie-dye Crocs, and the bottoms are super cool, and I like how these fit. They fit different than other Crocs. These are another ones I can wear in the snow because they have better grips. And these are the same, they have the better grips, but these ones are just a little bit more fire. Ha! That's funny. But yeah, ooh, ew, okay, I'm ugly. Next I have 2 Croc backpacks. This is my light pink one with the blue accents. I decorate it with kids' jibbitz because I'm 5. And this is my hot pink one, still decorated. And when I take it off, oh, and the back of it looks like a shoe. Pretty sick, huh? So if I struggle to open it, inside, I have some Croc Shine that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, which just shines them up and makes them cool. And then it's filled with the rest of my jibbitz.
So the one thing I didn't include in this collection is I actually own a Croc shirt. Boom! I bought it from Depop, and so it's really cute. It's pink, and I wear that 24/7 right now. It's in my gym locker at school, so can't show you that. But a lot of people think I'm weird for wearing Crocs, but I think it's kind of funny and spunky, and they're really comfortable, and I like to kind of collect them, and my best friend collects them too. And then we just match with our Crocs, and we're just really dope, so yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked my Croc collection. I think the next video I'm going to do is kind of styling my Crocs, because no one seems to understand how to style Crocs, which I will show you because I'm a pro at it now. So if you guys want to see that, comment telling you to do that, and also like this video and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a video because I post every single day. Alright, I love you guys so much. Goodbye.
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested.